How to connect Stripe payments to Beacon AI. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to connect your Beacons AI payment method to the Stripe payments. So it is going to be very easy and simple. We need at least an account within beacons.ai and then we're going to head over the account as you can see like that. Now, what we're going to do is to make sure that we have at least added some products so we can go ahead and activate the Stripe payments. And as you can see, it is going to be something like digital products. You are going to be having digital products. You can go ahead and create some websites like that in beacons.ai. So it is going to be a selling platform, link in bio platform, whatever selling channel that you want to have it in here. Now, what we're going to do is going to be very easy and simple. So we're going to head over the payment methods. So you're going to set up your payment methods into here. So if you're going to head over digital products, when you have them set up, it is not going to show up this blue band right there. But if not, you're going to click on setup and you're going to connect either PayPal or Stripe. As you can see, Stripe is going to have Apple Pay, Klarna, Afterpay, and Affirm. So you're going to click on Connect. It is going to show up a pop-up window that will lead you to connect Stripe payments. So we're going to wait for the authorization. Of course, you need a ready up account within Stripe payments. So it is going to have the specific let's say getaway, and then you're going to authorize the payment methods to be connected correctly. You need to have an email address, a password or a valid password, and also the account is going to be set up. In my case, unfortunately, I do not have a valid Stripe account, so you can go ahead and view the processing fee also, and then you're going to have them set up just like that. So that was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.